Hi, welcome to the unboxing and installation of the Hauppauge Colossus 2 high definition video recorder card. This is a PCI Express card that can be installed in a desktop computer. It's probably typically used to connect a games console or set-top box to a computer so that you can record on the computer. However, I've installed it so that I can connect my camcorder and get better quality video recorded on my computer. I've also connected my Rode stereo video mic to the computer so I can get much better quality audio as well. The card comes with several cables. The instructions and the PCI Express card itself. The first cable is the component video cable. This can be used to connect to a set-top box or games console if there is copy protection on the HDMI output. The next cable is the IR blaster cable. This cable has three ends. From the left is the IR blaster used to send commands to your set-top box, then the jack plug to connect to the IR blaster cable to the Colossus 2 card, and finally on the right the IR receiver which receives the IR commands from your set-top box's remote control. The final cable is an HDMI cable to connect your Colossus 2 card to a set-top box, or in my case, a camcorder. To install the Colossus 2 card in your computer, locate a spare ×1 or ×16 PCI Express slot and remove the blanking plate by unscrewing the retaining screw. This can normally be done by hand, but if it is tight, use a screwdriver. Be careful that the blanking plate does not drop onto the motherboard as you remove it from the computer. Remove the card from the anti-static bag. Always touch the computer case or other earthed metal surface so that you do not have any static buildup, which may be discharged onto the card and damaged it. I'm using a PCI Express ×1 slot just below the graphics card. Push the card into the slot and secure it in place with the retaining screw. You have now installed the card and can reboot the computer and download and install the supplied software.